Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess.
Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Ang this week's vlog is ano kaya nangyari sa anime at Teams Day? Ano kaya sikreto? Plus, the update about El Campos on their first single photoshoot part 2. This is vlog number 97 and episode 97. But, subscribe now to YouTube channel. Sana marami na until 100. This is our title for this vlog, Anime Teams. Here's your vlog!
Out in the sun they slave away, while we devoting full time to floating.
At na, sisimulan natin. Okay, let's begin with anime muna tayo. Friday, nanalo ako ng 20,000 pero hati lang. Sa 998 winners, ako yon. At iba pa mga 997 others. Sa game ko na ba is Anime Week about anime na may favorite character po is Hello Kitty. At saka yung mga animes like Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, and Dragon Balls. At ang Pinoy Bride, Lola Basha, and Ortuha. Eto na. 1. Heidi, The Cure of the Arts, that na novel in 1880 by Swiss. Pero, an animated series in 1974. Ang Pinocchio, which song When You Wish Upon the Star, is the 1883 novel of the Italian people. And, the number 3, and yung pelikula 1940 plus, sino ang tinutulog at kinagay ni Conan Edogawa? Kogori Monri, Detective Conan. Number 4, ano pong pelikula na nag-expire na short film na The Ant and the Grasshopper? A Bug's Life is the second computer animated film after 1995's Toy Story. And ang Under the Sea, ang pelikula The Little Mermaid na nanalo na Best Original Song in the 1990 Oscars. Alam ko, gusto ko yung pinakamaganda is The Little Mermaid. Ang ganda yung Under the Sea. Yung pinaka-worth it na lahat is okay and awesome. Remember that the anime spirit is fun. And the others is kahit na may Pinoy Pride tayo this 2021 na for the Bolton Spy, the Legacy movie this year now. Oras na para sa atin. Tapos na ating anime. We go into teen show. Like TGIS, Taping Ilog, and iba pa mga team shows like number 1, Riverdale is based on Archie's comics. Ang Pretty Little Liar na Mysterious Villain na 8. Susundan naman ng 30 Reasons Why. TGIS is every Saturday. Yung ibang questions, ang Glee New Directions Club. Gossip Girls, Blake Lively as Serena. Victorious as Ariana Grande role as Kat. And One Tree Hill's Raven's team of Lucas and Nathan. Tabing Ilog's John Largo's role as Bobby. And ang Netflix series Elite was shot in Spain. O, diba Spain? Alam ko, favorite ko yung dalawa kasi Pinoy Pride yun. And also, thank you to all the support of my dreams. Thank you Sakumo at Pilipinas Gang Kalaba and Let's Pop Quiz for me. Now it's time for updates about sa mga number 2, napaka-seriously at saka yung hindi seriously. Yung picture or photos is okay naman. Photograph by Borge Meneses na okay naman, pati rosas na nilagyan na ng ng damit, okay naman. At sana po na, at ang pinaka-serious yung nakikita na walang katawa, walang damit. Pero wag naman. And upcoming, sana po para release na yung first single soon under OC Records this